In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform login style form on your WordPress site. Before we begin, you'll need access to a Typeform account and your WordPress admin dashboard. Also, a quick note, this walkthrough is for demonstration purposes. Avoid collecting real passwords in plain text forms. If you're just prototyping a login-like experience, label the field clearly as a demo and never ask for actual credentials. Start by opening typeform.com and logging in. Once you're in, create a new form. You'll be taken to the form builder where we'll add the fields you need. First, add an email question. This ensures people provide a valid email format. In the question settings, toggle it to required so no one can skip it. Requiring the email helps you keep your submissions clean and useful. Next, add a short text question for the password field. Again, for safety and user trust, make it clear this is a demo or placeholder field and not meant for real passwords. If you want, you can add brief help text explaining its purpose, which can reduce confusion and support requests. When your two questions are in place, head to the Share area. Inside Share, choose Embed. Typeform offers multiple embed options like Standard, Pop-up, and Slider. For most pages, the standard embed works well. Copy the embed code that Typeform provides. It's a small HTML snippet that will display your form on your site. Now switch over to your WordPress admin. If you want to place the form on a new page, click New and select Pages. If you already have a login page or a page reserved for this purpose, open that page to edit it. In the WordPress editor, click the block inserter, the plus icon in the top left, and search for or choose Custom HTML. This block lets you paste code directly into the page content without any extra plugins. Paste the Typeform embed code into the Custom HTML block. You can use the preview option in the editor to make sure the form appears and fits the layout as expected. If it looks good, click Update or Publish to make your changes live. That's it. You've created a simple email and password style form in Typeform and embedded it in WordPress. If you notice layout issues, check your theme's content width or add spacing blocks around the embed. And remember, for production use, don't collect real passwords. Rely on proper authentication tools instead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.